Oh, what are you doing? No. Who do I get on? Fuck it. Oh my god, defender. Oh, what are you doing? Referee, man, why do you get in my way? Just get pissed off on the bench or something. I saw that coming. That's corners. It's bound to go in. Oh, here we go. That's in. Here we go. It's in. Oh.
Well read.
Oh, here we go.
Could have been a dangerous putt.
Ref. Oh, you broke my fucking legs in like 70 places. You'd think it's a free kick. Referee! You're a sped. You're an absolute retard. How hard is it? You're a spastic, mate. Starting really frustrated. Are you kidding me? Ingzobia is not quicker than fucking hell. This game, honestly, bro, it sucks. No.
So much cover.
Why? What are you doing? No. Oh, wow.
Marshall's.
Are you kidding me?
Got out.
Get up the keeper, get up the keeper, get up the keeper.
Soldado, yeah. To be fair, it was quite a nice finish.